Hi, Yasmin. So I'm making this little video just for you, okay? So that you can understand the difference between auxiliary verbs and main verbs. And I wanted to tell you thank you very much for telling me that you're having a hard time, because now I can help you fix it, and I know for sure that you're going to learn it. And if you didn't tell me, then maybe you'd be over there so confused and I wouldn't know and I couldn't help you. So thanks very, very much for telling me. I appreciate it. That makes you a very smart person. Okay, let me tell you about auxiliary verbs and main verbs. Okay, the first thing that you need to think about is what is the person in your sentence doing? So let's say in this sentence, the person is walking. They're walking down the street. And what kind of a person is it? You can say I, he, she, it, we, they, or somebody's name. So let's pick Yasmin. Okay? Yasmin walks. So now the main verb is obviously walks. So this is the simplest possible sentence. Yasmin walks, okay? But sometimes we want to say it in a different way. This is a correct way to say it, but we can also say Yasmin is walking, right? Now, the main verb is still walking because that's what you are doing, walking. The auxiliary verb is because it's helping you explain what you're doing, okay? Does that make sense? I wanted to show you that you do the exact same thing in Portuguese. With this sentence, it's exactly the same in Portuguese. Yasmin está... wait, I'm having a hard time with the accent. Está andando, right? Exactly the same. The main verb andando, the helping verb está. It's also the same in Spanish too. We use this construction in Spanish. It's really easy for people who are learning a new language. Like, I really liked it when I was working on Portuguese, because sometimes I didn't know how to conjugate the main verb, and I just learned how to conjugate está. So I could say está andando, está falando, está nadando, things like that. Even if I didn't know how to really say the main verb correctly, I could say a lot more. So it's a really useful thing to do, to know how to use auxiliary verbs. Okay, let's do a different verb. Let's do rains, or rain. So whenever we talk about raining, if we're saying outside there is rain, we don't say there is rain, we say it. And you could say rains, it rains, that's correct. But that's not really the normal way to say it. We say it is raining. So what's the main verb? Well, what is it doing? What's the thing that's happening? It's raining. So the main verb is the thing that's happening, and the auxiliary verb is what's helping you explain it. Does that make sense? Let's talk about the auxiliary verb do, but the main verb is like. And so I'm going to say I like pizza. The main verb is like, because that's what I'm doing. I'm enjoying pizza. I like pizza. But then somebody says, do you really like pizza? And I say, yes, I do like pizza. So this doesn't really change the meaning of the sentence. These two sentences mean the same thing, except this one is stronger. I like pizza. Yes, I do like pizza. So the main verb is like, because that's what I'm doing. And the auxiliary verb is do, because that's what's making the sentence a little bit stronger. Do. It's helping us understand the sentence a little bit better. Okay, I hope all of that makes sense. If you have any questions, please, please, please send me another message and we'll work on it. We can even set up a Skype call if you want to. I just had a Skype call just now with Andrew and Noah and Shashwat. So I'd be happy to have a Skype call with you if you want to. Okay, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.